In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start over on your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to refresh your site completely or make significant updates, I'll guide you through the process to help you make the changes you need. Now, let's get started by opening Squarespace and making sure you're logged into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate over to your homepage. In the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, and then from there, select the specific website you wish to work on. Okay, now that you've chosen your site, let's talk about resetting your template's style. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the Site Styles section. It's here that you can start fresh with fonts. Find the font option and click on it, then proceed to select the Reset Font Pack. This will restore the default font settings, giving you a clean slate to work with. Next, let's talk colors. If you prefer to return to the default color scheme, you can do that too by navigating to the color settings and opting for the default colors. Additionally, if you're working with forms and wish to start those over as well, you're in luck. Click on the forms and then hit the Reset Form Pack to bring everything back to its original settings. Once you've made these adjustments, it's crucial to save your work. So, remember to click Save to ensure all changes are stored. After that, click Exit to return to your main pages. Now, if there's a specific page you want to remove entirely, simply find the gear icon next to that page's name. Clicking it will bring up a menu. Scroll down under the General section and select Delete Page to remove it from your website. Moving forward, if you're looking to create a new structure or bring in fresh design elements, it's quite straightforward. Head to the main navigation area and click on the plus icon. This gives you the opportunity to explore page layouts. Feel free to browse and select the layout that best suits your new vision for your site. Lastly, if you're inclined to take a bigger leap and create an entirely new website within your Squarespace account, you can absolutely do that as well. Simply navigate back to your profile. Here, you'll see an option to create a new website. Click on Create Website and then browse through the available templates. Choose the one that resonates with how you want your new site to appear. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're all set to start over on your Squarespace website effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.